this clip, I'm going to show you how to take the pocket that we just sewed our zipper to and turn the sides under, and then we're going to attach it to the front of our bag. So the first thing you want to do is trim off the excess zipper. Now you're just going to go around the entire pocket and fold under the hem. So you just fold it under and press it, and then you'll be pinning it. And you do this all the way around. And when you get to the part with the zipper, it's a little bit difficult, so you just want to press it flat and then just make sure that you pin it securely.